Hi, my name is Dorothy Kessler. I am an assistant professor in the School of Rehabilitation Therapy at Queen's University in Canada. I am looking forward to providing an introductory workshop on occupational performance coaching in collaboration with Psychomotor Athens in Greece in June 2022. Occupational performance coaching, or OPC, is a relationship and strength-based approach to enabling participation in valued activities. OPC has been tested with parents of children with neurodevelopmental challenges, people living with stroke and multiple sclerosis, and university students who are experiencing stress and anxiety. I am excited to share this approach that can enhance how you partner and work with people who receive your services.